Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome all. So in today's video I am back with one more Nykaa haul, and this haul I did not because of any sale but because I literally needed them. So this haul comprises of both skincare and makeup products. And before moving on further, if you are new to my channel, if you are watching my videos for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell just right next to it. And also press the like button if you are liking this video. So for today's video, pardon my bare face with only lipstick. That's because I was in no mood for any makeup today and this video was long pending. So I decided to just apply some lipstick and sit down and talk to you guys. So Nykaa has some kind of discounts on various products going on almost all the time. So the products that I'll be showing you guys today, some of the products are at a discounted rate and some I got at the normal price, but that's okay. I really needed those products. So starting on, the first product that I got is this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser or a face wash. And this is for dry and sensitive skin. My skin tends to become very flaky and very dry in the winters, and my skin is kind of sensitive too. So this is the product that suits my skin wonderfully. This is a soap-free mild lathering formula for everyday cleansing of even the most sensitive skin, and most of the dermatologists recommend this face wash for sensitive skins. So this is fragrance-free, non-comedogenic and dermatologist recommended. It's written at the back, and this retails for rupees 431 for I think 250 ml of the product, which is a great thing. It comes with a pump dispenser which makes the application even more hygienic. So this is my first buy, and the next product that I got is a lipstick, and this is from the Maybelline New York Color Sensational Creamy Matte Collection, and the shade that I got is called Siren in Scarlet. This is the shade that I am carrying right now. If you are looking for a true red shade, not too orangey, not too maroony, just a true one, this is the one you should buy. The formula is quite creamy and very smooth. I already had maroony red and orangish red in my collection. I needed a true red color, so I got this one. I will show you a close-up view of the lipstick. So this lipstick retailed for rupees 299 and I did not get any discount on this. The next product that I got is the Nykaa Nail Enamel, and it is in the shade Cranberry Crumble. I love this shade. I just love this shade. This is a very gorgeous, a very rich shade. I will definitely try this one and show you guys. And this retailed for rupees 179. But I got it at a discounted price at rupees 152. The next product that I got is a shampoo, and this is from L'Oreal. This is the Lipidium Absolute Repair Shampoo for instant reconstructing for damaged hair. My hair, just like my skin, becomes very dry and very frizzy in the winters. So I need deep conditioning for my hair, and this is the right product for that. This retails for rupees 635, but I got it at a discounted price at rupees 575. The Lipidium range has proven to be very beneficial for my hair. My hair has become literally more manageable and less frizzy. So I'm planning to continue using this shampoo for the rest of the winters. The next product that I got is a moisturizer for my face. This is a Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion for dry and sensitive skin, a boon for my dry and sensitive skin. So again, Cetaphil is a very good brand, dermatologically recommended. So it is a boon for my dry and flaky skin for this winter. This comes in a box like this, and it retails for rupees 166 for 30 grams of the product. and inside there is a tube like this, a small one. So this is the 5th product. Next I got this facial wipes from Kaya, and this is the acne free refreshing mattifying wipes, and this retailed for rupees 125, but I got it at rupees 108 for 30 wipes. Nothing much to say about this product. It is a good one. I use this to remove my makeup on a daily basis. So this is the 6th product that I got. And then next I got some capsule recipe packs from Innisfree. These are facial packs. Some are sleeping packs and some are wash off packs. So I'll show them to you in details. So the first one that I have is a sleeping pack, and it is the green tea sleeping pack. A sleeping pack means you can just apply the pack and slip off. Basically you need to apply it in the night and slip off and wash the next morning. So each pack retails for rupees 150, but I got them for rupees 140 each. And I'm yet to try this, so I don't know how it will work. But green tea is known to calm our skin, and I am definitely having hopes on this. So next I have another sleeping pack, and this is a rice pack. Rice is known to brighten and nourish our skin, so I am also having hope on this. Let's see how this brighten my skin. Next I have another pack, and this has bija and tea tree oil in this. This is a wash off pack. Tea tree is known to have a calming effect on our skin, and bija is known to nourish, hydrate and moisturize our skin. So definitely this one will be worth trying in the winters. The next and the last one that I have is another wash off pack, and this has volcanic cluster in it. So this is basically a clay mask. So the volcanic thing actually absorbs your sebum and basically clears your pores. So this is basically a clay mask which will clean your pores. So this one will be the first one that I'm gonna try. So since I bought so many masks from Innisfree, they were kind enough to send me a sample Jeju volcanic color clay mask, and it's written calming here. So I am so happy with this. This was a free sample. Thank you Innisfree for this. So since January is my birthday month, Nykaa had sent me a gift, and I was so happy with the gift. I mean, who doesn't love surprises? So this was a gift that was sent to me by Nykaa, and this is a small pink colored bag with glitters on top, which looks very glam, and it's written Nykaa here. So thank you Nykaa for this. I'm really overwhelmed. So that was all that I bought from Nykaa this time. I hope you liked and found this video useful. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And I will come back with more hauls and more interesting stuffs in my next video. Till then, take care, love you, and bye bye.